You know that feeling when you walk into like a really high-end conference room and the screens just instantly wake up to greet you?
Oh, yeah. Feels like magic,
Oh,
honestly.
it really does. But behind the drywall, that illusion is powered by some seriously heavy-duty hardware. So, welcome to today's custom-tailored deep dive, where our mission is to basically explore the massive hidden infrastructure that powers the public screens you walk past every single day.
Yeah, and we're pulling our insights today from the 25th anniversary catalog of HDTVSupply.
Yeah.
And what becomes immediately clear reading through this source material is, well, there's the total paradigm shift in how commercial spaces operate.
I mean, we aren't really talking about traditional video equipment anymore, are we?
No, not at all. We are looking at highly localized IT networks now.
Okay, let's unpack this because this whole shift is perfectly illustrated by one unassuming gadget we found in the specs. It's the Javelin JAV-OCS900N network-enabled occupancy sensor.
Right, that's the little digital eye that sees you walk in.
Exactly. But from that single trigger, the system just spirals into this sprawling scale of engineering. Like, take a sports bar with dozens of TVs.
Yeah.
To make them all run smoothly, engineers use what are called Wolfpack modular matrix switchers.
Oh, those are incredible. They scale all the way up from a simple 4x2 setup to like 160 inputs routing to 160 displays simultaneously.
That is just huge. So I'm picturing this matrix switcher as, the building's central nervous system or a highly complex digital traffic controller for 4K and 8K video.
Well, nervous system implies organic fluid reactions, right? This is definitely more like a high-speed freight train switchyard. It's about routing heavy, dense packets of data without collisions.
Right, that makes sense.
And what's fascinating here is how they achieve that using AV over IP. Instead of running traditional dedicated video cables, they treat 4K and 8K video exactly like internet traffic.
Wait, so they break a high-def video feed into, like, millions of tiny digital envelopes, mail them across the building's standard CT6 network cables, and just reassemble them perfectly at the destination TV.
Precisely. That underlying mechanism allows them to push uncompressed video up to 450 feet away.
Oh, wow, 450 feet.
Yeah, it's why a single control room can seamlessly power these massive video walls, utilizing up to 10x1 processors with basically zero noticeable lag.
That is wild.
Yeah.
But okay, if we are essentially turning video into heavy-duty IT networking, how does anyone actually operate it without a computer science degree?
Right, you'd think it would be incredibly complicated.
Yeah, because if I'm a bartender trying to switch the football game on TV 47, I mean, I can't be writing code or managing network packets.
Well, the user interface is completely abstracted away from the complex hardware. You get intuitive Wolfpad tablets or just free iOS and Android apps.
Oh, so you can just use your phone or an iPad.
Yeah, or Windows 11 software.
Yeah.
But they also maintain older bulletproof standards like dual RS-232 and TCP IP controls for when they need absolute reliability.
Ah, that explains the incredibly varied client base. I mean, they build for the mega sports bars managing DirecTV apps and EverPass, but they also supply the federal government.
Exactly. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, HDTVSupply dedicates entire channels to government procurement.
Wait, really? The government uses this commercial gear?
Oh, absolutely. They list products approved by the TAA for secure facilities, utilize the GSA schedule to streamline federal purchasing, and even supply the NASA CP program.
Hold on, they outfit space agency infrastructure.
They do, yeah. It's pretty amazing.
Okay, well, here's where it gets really interesting. Servicing everyone from bartenders to astronauts means they need a wildly diverse array of gear. They partner with big names like Bose, Canon, Shure, and Yamaha.
Oh, and hyper niche brands, too, like Nextmosphere for specialized sensors or YOLO Live for portable streaming.
But wait, stringing a dozen different proprietary brands together sounds like a complete nightmare. Like, if I plug a specialized sensor into a Yamaha audio system and route it to a commercial display, isn't that just creating a fragmented, chaotic system rather than a unified one? How do they even talk to each other?
That skepticism is totally warranted. But it brings us right back to the matrix switcher.
Oh, it acts as a translator.
Exactly. Integrators use matrix switchers specifically to unify these disparate specialized pieces into one cohesive AV ecosystem. It forces all those isolated components to speak the exact same language.
So what does this all mean? For you, the listener, the ultimate takeaway is that the audiovisual world has fundamentally transformed. The screens in your periphery are supported by an invisible, highly complex web of tech.
They are. And this raises an important question to leave you with. The next time a room screens seamlessly activate when you walk in, perhaps triggered by a Javelin occupancy sensor, consider how much hidden military-grade infrastructure is silently working behind the walls just to show you a video.